Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing you guys how I make my cash envelopes. This is actually going to be my first time using this laminator that I got on Black Friday. It was around $15, but now I think it's around $23. I'm going to link it below in the description. So you want to start off by switching on the on switch and giving it time to warm up. When it's ready, the light on the ready sign will turn blue. And so right now it's just warming up. And while it's warming up, you want to get started on setting up your cash envelopes. These cash envelopes that I'm showing you right now are the ones that I made with tape, and that will be for another video. These are my printed papers that I got from Hobby Lobby. They are super cute and they're only 25 cents each. As you can see on my laminator, the 3 is the one that is lit up because these papers are regular thickness. I will show you guys when to press the 5 when you have like a thicker paper. We're going to start by picking our paper that we want to use and measuring our dollar up against the paper so we have the right length and width for our cash envelopes. And like I said, I'm not using a ruler or anything. I'm just going to use the paper itself as a straight edge, and I am going to fold it. Then I take a pencil and I just trace along the edge so it's nice and straight for where I am going to be cutting off the excess paper. Alright, so now I'm just cutting it off, and then I'm going to use my dollar again just to make sure that the width is correct. And this time I'm going to use the white side so that I'm not writing on the actual envelope on the decorative side. And I just used some excess paper as a straight edge again. You don't need any fancy tools to do this. And these are my own envelopes for personal use, so I'm not making sure that it's like absolutely perfect, but they're gonna get the job done. So I went ahead and did all 3 envelopes that I am going to be laminating today, and they look so cute. Alright, so now you're going to take your laminating pocket and you are going to put your envelope as close to the edge as possible. I don't like to waste any of my laminating pockets. I ordered this on Amazon, and a pack of 50 is about $8, and it's just the Amazon brand of laminating pouches. So once you get them in there and straight to your liking, you are going to put the sealed edge in first. So I did not speed up this part because I wanted you guys to see how quick this thing actually is. It only takes about 10 seconds for it to fully laminate the whole sheet, and they come out so pretty. So once my papers are done, I'm gonna go ahead and hit the 5 on the laminating machine, and this just adjusts the thickness because like I said, I'm gonna show you guys both thickness levels. And I'm gonna take the one that I just did and put it to the side so that it can cool. So this is my other printed paper. It is actually cardstock and it's so cute, so I decided to make it my debt snowball envelope. So I already cut it, but this time I am going to add one of these sheets. It just says date, amount, total, and that way I can keep track of my purchases and how much money that I spend. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this out and glue it to the back of the envelope. Alright, this part is no different. You're just going to stick your laminating sheet in and let it cool. And while it's cooling, you're going to turn off your laminator and just unplug it, set it to the side, and give it about an hour to cool down. Alright, now I'm going to get into cutting the cash envelopes that we made. And for this, you just want to be very careful on the edges. Leave a little bit of room on the edges so that you won't have a hole in the side. And boom, stick your dollar in, and now you have a cash envelope. Alright, so I went ahead and cut out all my cash envelopes. And they are so beautiful. I just love them. This was so fun and easy to do. And now I'm just going to show you guys how easy it is to write on them and erase and everything. So I'm going to go ahead and write and pretend this is my gas cash envelope. So I'm going to go ahead and write gas on there. And it dries super quick. I just use a regular Sharpie. And I'm going to use alcohol to take it off. You see how it's not budging, but you just get your alcohol, a paper towel, and it comes off so easy. There's no smudges, it's not smeared, the envelope didn't turn black, and they're all cute. So yeah guys, these are my cash envelopes. It was so fun to make these. And it was super easy. The whole thing was about $30 in total, probably less than that. So if you want to make your own cash envelopes, those are all the steps. See you guys next time. Bye.